Welcome back again. We had solved a similar paper before, so we solved question 1A Roman 1 Roman 2. So today we are solving July Engineering Mathematics for July series. Then the question is 1B, so the question requires 1B Roman 1. Question requires us to solve for x. So from here we are going to apply what we normally apply, that's laws of logarithms. So here we have a subtraction of logarithms of similar bases, so we can see that all these logarithms have got a similar base. So therefore we are going to read from that law that says if you have logarithm to any base of a, then you subtract logarithm of a similar base to that of log of a, then this will give us log of a over b to that similar base. So if you were to use base 10, then that would have been the case, but because here we have log 2, then it still applies. So therefore, if we apply this law, then we are going to realize that this equation becomes logarithm to base 2 of x plus 1 divided by x, close the brackets, is equals to log to base 2 of x minus 1. So in this scenario, we can be able to see that the left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side of the equation in terms of functions, because it's log to base 2 and this is log to base 2. So at that point we can drop the logs. So dropping the logarithms, we shall have x plus 1 over x is equals to x minus 1. So we cross multiply the right hand side of the equation and the left hand side of the equation by x. So we shall have x times x plus 1 over x is equals to x minus 1, this multiplied by x. So this and this cancels, so we shall remain with x plus 1 is equals to x squared minus x. So it's x times this and x times that, which gives us that. So from here we can see that we are forming a quadratic expression here. So we take this to the right hand side, so we shall have x squared minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this shall be simplified to x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic expression, so we're going to solve it using the methods that we know. So therefore we shall use the quadratic method. So the quadratic method says that if you want to solve for the value of x, it's going to be minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac, all of this divided by 2a. So our b here is equals to minus 2, our a is equals to 1, and our c is equals to negative 1. So substituting into this equation, therefore x will be equal to minus into minus 2 plus or minus the root of minus 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 1. And so if that is the case, then we shall divide that by 2 into 1. So therefore we shall have, so that will give us 2 plus or minus the root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 divided by 2. So this will give us 2 plus or minus the root of 8 over 2. So therefore from what we have is that we are going to divide all here by 2, so we shall have 1 plus and minus root 8 over 2. So this will give us 1 plus or minus 1.4. You can use your calculators. It will give us, if you find out root 8, so root 8 is equals to 2.8 divided by 2, so that will give us 1.4142. so the value of x will be 2.4142 or negative 0.4142. so therefore we can say x is equals to 2.4142 or what we call as negative 0.4142. so that's what we have as the solution. So that's x is equals to this and x is equals to that. So that's the workings of this question 1 B Roman 1, and that's the methodology that you should be able to use for you to get the solutions to that problem. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.